Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to make what may be the best topping ever for hot dogs. The New York red onion sauce, which is also known as the Sabrett's onions and sauce. Sabrett is a major hot dog company and is often known for this sauce, which is loved by millions of New Yorkers. For many New Yorkers, including myself, a hot dog needs mustard, sauerkraut, and the red onion sauce. That's a hot dog, New York style. In New York, it's easy to find jars of Sabrett's onions and sauce in supermarkets, but outside of New York, it could be tough. With this simple recipe using basic ingredients, you can have this tasty relish ready by the time your hot dogs are cooked. You'll need 1 onion, chopped, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To make it, I chopped up 1 large peeled onion and threw it into a pot which was already coated with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and cooked them up until the onions were soft and somewhat translucent. Then added the ketchup and vinegar and garlic powder. And if you want, you could throw in some chili powder also, or crushed peppers. Then stir that up well and let that simmer on low for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, stirring every few minutes and allowing the flavors to mesh together. And then you're done. Just throw some of these onions onto your hot dog with some mustard and sauerkraut, and you have yourself a popular New York style hot dog. This recipe should serve about 4 hot dogs, so scale up if you need more. And if you make a lot, be sure to store any leftovers in an airtight container in your fridge for up to 5 days. You can freeze these as well in an airtight container and store them in your freezer for about 3 months. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and consider subscribing. If you are subscribing, click on the bell notification so you are notified every time I put up new content. See you soon.